Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video I'm going to try on the wigs of the week. They're going to be these two beautiful wigs, gray and black, ponytail one with a bun and back cornrow. So I introduced these colors to you before and most of you really love this color. That's why I decided to make these two in this colors. So if you like this video, or if you like this style, or if you love these colors, just make sure you comment down below. And if you're interested in these wigs, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below so you can contact me and I'll send them to you. And then I also have them in different colors, in black as well, as you can see. Just press to make it flatter. It has an elastic band just to make it more secure. I also realized most of my clients prefer their wigs without combs, so I always sew an elastic band just to make it more secure. Make sure you arrange the braids on your forehead just to make it look neater, like that, and then you're going to just do that to make it flatter.